To change the MAC address on your iPhone, first open Settings and tap Wi-Fi, then tap the small information I button next to the network you're connected to. In that network's details, look for the private Wi-Fi address, MAC address type or privacy setting, and pick the behavior you want. Off to show the device's real hardware MAC. Fix to use a unique non-rotating private MAC for that network, or rotating to have the phone cycle a different private MAC periodically. After selecting off, fixed, or rotating disconnect and reconnect to the network, or toggle Wi-Fi off and on so the change is applied, then confirm which address is active by reopening the network details, or by going to Settings, General, About, and reading the Wi-Fi address field, which will reflect the current address type. If the private ArchMac option isn't visible, the device may be managed by an MDM profile that locks the setting. If this fixed your issue, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech guides.